Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today we are going to learn and writing 10 rivers name in English and Hindi. Number 1, Ganga. Number 2, Yamuna. Number 3, Son. Number 4, Chenab. Number 5, Mahanadi. Number 6, Ravi. Number 7, Mahi. Number 8, Jhelum. Number 9, Krishna. Number 10, Beas, Beas.